Hi friends, welcome to Rasul Sansar channel. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. Officers at the General Administration of Residency Affairs arrested an Asian expatriate who runs an office by employing absconding domestic worker. He rented an apartment in Farvania and kept 5 absconding domestic worker and making them work for daily wages. All of them are runaway maids from their sponsors. According to report, the Asian men forced them to flee from their sponsors' houses and re-employ them on a daily wages. Security officials conducted a raid on the apartment and arrested all of them. They are referred for administrative deportation and they will be put on blacklist. An Asian expatriate was arrested for possessing dentistry without license. He admitted that he had treated dozens of patients and performed a successful surgery for expatriates. A security man found large quantity of medicines as well as medical equipment used for cleaning and extraction of teeth from his apartment in Farvania. According to report, he does not possess any medical license and that would allow him to practice the profession. The official spokesperson of the Kuwaiti Health Minister Dr. Abdullah Al Sanan stressed Monday the importance of receiving the third coronavirus vaccine boosters sought to improve the immunity system and decrease the number of infections. The booster shot offered to ages 18 and above are now available without any scheduled appointments and they should be taken after a period of no less than 6 months of receiving the second vaccine shot, he added. Meanwhile, individuals immunity deficiency and cancer persons should receive the third shot in a period of less than 6 months of receiving the second shot after the required medical evaluation, the affirmed. The National COVID-19 vaccinations campaign continue offering its servicing the Kuwait Vaccination Center in the International Exhibition Hall of Ministry in the Misraf area, he said, adding the hall 5 and 6 offer vaccination from Sunday to Thursday starting from 9 am till 7 pm local time and on Saturday from 10 am till 4 pm. The use of digital technologies in homes, workplaces and digital transactions in Kuwait witnessed an unprecedented increasing during the corona pandemic, the Communication and Information Technology Regulatory Authority revealed. According to the study conducted by Citra, almost all residents of Kuwait have access to the fourth generation network of mobile phones, while 97% of the country is covered by fifth generation network technology. The rate of increase in the use of the internet amounted to 12% last year compared to 2019, the study reveals. The study also pointed out that the price for internet starts from 5 to 6 dinars per month, which is among the lowest in the world. The use of optical fiber communication also increased to 45% last year compared to 31% in 2019. The study indicated that the widely used online activities in the country or online communication and social media. However, the use of digital services and e-commerce has also greatly increased. During the corona pandemic, Kuwait witnessed a 63% increase in volume of online purchase. Earlier, the online purchase was mainly on clothing and personal care product, whereas in the year 2020, it shifted to daily household essentials, the report said. Ambassador of India to Kuwait, C.B. George, today called on Governor of Ahmadi Haji Sheikh Fawaz Al Khalid Al Hamad Al Saban. Haji Sheikh Fawaz received ambassador and discussed diaspora matters and the other subject of mutual interest. Thank you for watching my channel.